Hello, welcome everybody to Vani Reads Love Tarot. So this reading is for couples in love. So this is for all genders, all signs. So anybody can watch this. Take only what resonates, what feels good to you. Don't force this reading upon you. And please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and let's see what the messages are. So, what are the messages from the person on my viewer's mind, my collective, the couples reading? What is my viewer's partner thinking, wanting to say to my viewers? Messages from my viewer's partner. There has been married connection. There has been a marriage that has been cancelled, that has ended. It was karmic It was a karmic relationship. It was a karmic marriage, and there is healing happening from that connection. So the person is telling you that there was a marriage that was between him or her. That person had a marriage that got ended. It was a karmic relationship. It was destined. The way things were, the way things are, the way they have played out, it was destined. So they have attraction towards you, and they feel a strong passion towards you. They see you very happily single, very independent, very successful, and they want to bring you an offer. So they want to take action towards you. They intend to start a new beginning with you. They are healing from a broken heart, and they want to put in the work. They see you as somebody very empathetic, very loving, very kind, generous, with love for them, and they want to take consistent action. They want to be stable for this connection. Third party is being removed. They know the third party was a factor which caused problem in the connection. The third party is being removed. So there is a new relationship, new beginning for love that's on the card. So there's a new leap of faith. There's a new leap of faith. There is lovers and the fool. So a new beginning is on the cards. New love starting afresh. There is a happy, successful relationship on the cards. A very committed, very abundant relationship is on the cards between you and this person. So the perfect happy relationship cards in the tarot, the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles, that's on the cards for you. Moving on from the painful past and manifesting quick success, communication, blessings, healing, joy, happiness, communication, passion in this connection, growth in this connection. So that's on the cards. And waiting to take action, waiting to travel, waiting to move towards you, patiently waiting for the ships to come in. Very stalking, very much stalking about you, around you, keeping an eye on you, very restless, very much overthinking about this connection, possessive, obsessive, and very inclined to having passionate thoughts, physically attracted towards you, and trying to save money, trying to save what they have, holding on to what they have, holding on to the connection passionately and very obsessively. There is judgment. There is a decision to be made to walk away from the past. There is a legal decision to be made. There is something karmic, that's something legal, karmic. Justice has to be made. So this is very difficult for them, very painful, very much anxiety causing, very much stressful for this person. There is a lot of regrets, pain, suffering, fear, making this final decision about this connection from the past. So it's very painful to walk away from, but they have to do it because justice has to be done. So this is the decision, this decision, and I am just channeling the energy. So this decision is very difficult for this person to make about this connection, this marriage, this committed relationship, which was happy in the past. This brought them a lot of joy, happiness, abundance. But this marriage is going through a change. There is an ending to the connection. The marriage is ending. Legal connection, legally it's being cut off, legally it's being ended. So the marriage is ending, and the decision is very painful for this person to make. So this is the clarity you needed about the connection. The truth is coming out. They are standing in their power, the authority. Finally, they are coming out as a mature person, established person, a very successful person, very powerful person after the change, the transformation that's happening. There is public success on the cards. There is a wedding plan on the cards. There is plan for public victory, success. There is new growth happening, new passion happening. There is healing balance coming to the connection, this your connection, your soulmate connection. There is things being balanced out on in the spiritual realms. There is sudden change, sudden revelations happening. They are keeping it a secret that they're going through a lot of transformation. Revelations are happening. The marriage that was a burden on them, like extremist burden possible, so they cannot anymore carry it. They have to let it go. There is divine intervention happening. They are asking for it. There is baggage to be removed. There is karmic baggage, unfinished business that's being removed. There is no more give and take in that person and between them, that person and them. And there is a wish fulfillment that's happening. So they wanted to end the connection. They are no more fighting it. They are defending themselves. They are protecting themselves. They are blocking the connection, the other person, and the cycle is over. So that connection is over. The lesson has been learned. It was a karmic connection. So there was a karmic lesson. There were karmic lessons that were supposed to be learned through that connection. So they have been learned. The person has evolved through them. So there's no more juggling and confusion about the connection. And so there is an opportunity for reunion. There is enlightenment happening. There is spiritual awakenings happening. So new romantic offer is on the cards, and problems, conflicts are being resolved, and the unfinished business that was, there is hope for it to end. There is no more stringing along happening soon, and there is healing happening. There is faith being restored. So clarity is coming, and what doesn't serve the highest good has been cut off. No more secrets, no more fears, no more anxiety. The final thing has been done. A lot of thought has gone into it. A lot of introspection, self-reflection, and deep thinking has gone into this. So lots of alone time has been spent on thinking this through, and there is quick communication that wants to come in and want to take swift action towards this, making plans, watching from a distance, talking, keeping an eye, social media, stalking, and the internet. So keeping an eye on you from the distance, and making plans and want to travel. So there is faith being restored. There is strength being restored. And clarity is coming. Boundaries are being set, and if you have set boundaries, they are very afraid of this. They are very stressed about this. If you've set boundaries between them, they are dreaming about this connection with you, and they have immense love for you. They are very they want to be very generous with love for you. They have loads of love for you. They feel a lot of love for you. They are not confused about it. They are not confused about the third party and you anymore. They are very clear about who deserves their love. They want to invest in this love, They are letting go of the past fears about past patterns of fear, past patterns of suffering. They want to let go of all of this. They want to begin afresh, begin a new love with you. They are tired of being alone and suffering in relationships of the past, from scarcity mindset, from the lack mindset. They have suffered a lot. They don't want to be alone anymore. They want a fresh new start, a fresh new opportunity for abundant love, abundant relationship, abundance of a new beginning in love, a new opportunity of growth and happiness. They want to bring you an offer. They want to apologize. There have been conflicts because of third party, hidden agendas, hidden secrets. So all of that which was hidden is finally being moved on from. So they are moving away from being manipulative and being toxic in this connection. So that chapter is completely ending. So this is from the tarot. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. That helps my channel grow, and I love it when you guys support my channel, because it's new and I would love all the support I can get from you all. So please like my channel and subscribe to my channel and like my video also. Yep, that's the message in between, and that's the tarot for you. And let's see what the oracle says. So what are the messages from my viewers, my collectives, partner, for them? My viewers, partners message for my viewer, couples in love. So there was a very toxic person in their life, which was the third party in the connection. So this person had a narcissistic tendency. So this person was toxic. There were lack of boundaries. There was a lot of toxicity. There was a lot of mirroring in the connection, a lot of suffering being mirrored to each other. There is that old pattern of suffering, of toxic patterns and dependency, codependency, past connections of suffering, of addictions, of this karmic connection, relationship, resentment, triggers, and emotional suffering and psychological suffering. A lot of unhealed people this was. So there was a lot of heartbreak, a lot of pain, a lot of breaking of hearts was happening in this connection. So that marriage is ending. The engagement ring card is in the reverse. So that marriage has ended. The suffering, higher commitment, eternity, partnership and union, completion is in the reverse. So that marriage that has ended with the narcissistic person, and now there is ascending happening. The person has evolved through the connection, and the lessons have been learned. We also saw the world card. So the person has learned their lessons from the marriage, from the toxic connection. They have evolved through them, and they have the other person who was toxic in the connection, who was the third party, has evolved out of the connection. So this person has ascended, learned the lessons, learning and expansion, transcending, preparing for union, new phase. So this person is ready for the union. The snake is in the reverse. So the third party, which was a toxic person in between you all, so that person has moved out of the relationship, is no more part of the mix. So this person is no more here to interfere with your connection. So there is a tender loving connection. There is a soft new beginning that wants to happen between you all. So there is innocent, childlike, very young kind of love that wants to manifest here. Interested in you, blooming romance, flirting, want to date. So there is, because the third party is out of the connection, so there is a new romance that wants to come to the surface, wants to manifest. There is a soulmate connection here, soul connection, partnership, soul contract, life partners. So this new beginning is with this energy here. There is a lot of realizations happening, things coming to light and heal, light-hearted and adapt to new pattern that's evolved here, and finding out and change. So the dragonfly here, the past they have moved on from. There is transformation happening. The butterfly evolving and growing. Next phase is starting, healing inner child, releasing the past. No more running from the connection. The runner is in the reverse. So there is a lot of attraction, and third party is out of the connection. Now there is grounding happening, stability and security coming, performance, if there was a lack of efforts and actions, so the efforts and actions are going to be there now, and growth and endurance is coming to the connection. So this is what I see for you all from the oracle. And there is no more running and chasing pattern that was here, which was causing distance and separation in the connection. So the addiction that was to the past pattern has ended. There is a death of a pattern which was very toxic, very pain causing in the connection, very disturbing, very unhealed pattern which was with you all, guys. So this pattern has ended. So there is growth and transformation that's happening. And if it was one-sided, so there is relief coming and there is love coming, unconditional love, self-love and wholeness, affection and attraction, selflessness. So new love is coming to the surface now that the third party is out of the connection. So that's from that oracle. Let's see what other messages we have from the person on my viewers mind, couples in love. Messages from my viewers partner. Round and round. So if there was a pattern being repeated with your connection, so there is relief happening, there is breathe. This card says breathe. So you are now able to have relief in the connection, and relief is coming in the connection. You are no more repeating the pattern has been broken because the lessons have been learned. So there is relief coming for you all. No place like home. So this is going to feel like a home like connection for you all. There is going to be relief and sense of security coming to you all from this connection now that's developing in between you all. And if this was a never ending story, there is going to be never ending story of pain and suffering because of toxicity and unhealed selves on both sides. So there is repair and mending that's going to happen. So this is what I see. A change is in the wind. This person is going to be loyal. Keep putting in the work. The divine feminine is rising. Time to go. Higher power is on the side, on your side, supporting you all. The higher self, the higher side, the higher self, the higher power is supporting this connection. Divine is supporting this connection. There is divine support, divine union that's happening. So you have to make decision, a judgment at this time, and the judgment is to be fair. So you have to make a decision, a judgment to be fair in this connection, and both parties have to make this connection on a foundation of justice, fairness, equality, kindness, generosity, and equality. That is how you manifest peace in the connection, here and now. There is a new life coming. So peace, that's how you get your peace. That's how you manifest your peaceful, loving life here and now. Like your heaven being restored. New life is here for you all. This story is unfinished. This is not the end. And this is your message. Don't go by what it looks like on the surface. All that glitters is not gold. If you felt like you are lost or broken, you are being transformed between worlds. You are being positioned in the right place, poised. You will understand why all of this had to happen this way when you self reflect on this. Give it time. Get out of your comfort zone, come to the edge. Make those efforts which were missing so far. That's how you find your tribe. That's how you find your true love relationship, your home like space in this world. You find your peace. You're getting a leg up. This is destined for you. If you felt support was missing, divine intervention was missing, so it's been given to you. You are being supported in this connection by the divine. You will have all the support you need. This is destined. So these are the messages from the oracle. Please remember to like my video, subscribe to my channel. The last messages are few messages are from the angel deck, angel messages deck. So let's see what instructions we have for you all about this love relationship, couples in love. So what are the messages for the couples in love? Have faith. The angels are working behind the scene to make this relationship flourish. So you have, like I said, you have all the support by the angels, by the divine. Twin flame. So this is a twin flame, just like I was thinking in my mind while I was reading this. Twin flame, this person is your mirror soul. This is why this connection feels so sacred to you. So this is about twin flame union. That is why you were seeing the divine support all through the reading. There has been divine support in this connection. So this is your twin flame connection. What other messages are there for this couples in love? Soulmate. Yes, this person is your soulmate. Your soul connection is sacred. This is a twin flame connection. You are enough. The person you are meant to be with will love you the way you are. You don't need to change. You are enough. Your soulmate is here. What other messages? Distance. The separation you are experiencing is necessary to help the relationship grow. Actions speak louder than words. If you want to know what someone is feeling, watch what they are doing. Put yourself first. Loving yourself makes you more romantically attractive. Stay optimistic. Positive thinking and faith will bring romance into your life. So these are all the messages for couples in love. So I hope this helped you with your relationship, with your connection, and this gave you the insights that were missing for you all. I hope this resonated well with you. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, keep watching the readings I bring for you all to help you with your connection, with your relationship. To even if you watch it for entertainment and fun, it's available for you. I make it available for you as and when I get the guidance to. So do support me with my new channel, and stay tuned, and thank you for watching and enjoy your day.